is up, guys? I am Howie, and this is the Go Ride channel. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of work on the KDX. I'm really just hanging parts on the bike to try to get them out of my freaking way. I got a little helper that's running around today, so I might be a little distracted. And my microphone's not working, which is another wonderful thing. So we'll see how this goes. So I've really just been like cleaning parts today. Cleaned the airbox, I cleaned a bunch of other stuff, cleaned chain guides, sprocket guards, stuff like that. And then I also ordered a bunch of parts from Rocky Mountain, and I've got those, so I'm gonna go ahead and just start bolting some little stuff onto the bike, and then you'll see more aggressive stuff probably after a costume change. So one of the things that I do know with respect to these carburetors is that there's some kind of seat material in the body that's like pressed in, that if you soak it in carburetor cleaner, it will eat it up. So I'm not going to do that, but I am actually just going to go ahead and wash it with some soap and water, and then I'm going to make sure I dry it out really well before I put everything back together. Alright guys, getting ready for the first fire. I'm going to put fuel in it, put water in it. I just put oil in the transmission. Got a new spark plug in it, filter is oiled. If it runs, we're just going to let it go for about 5 minutes and then call it good. Let's see what happens. Nice to have a seat on it. Oh, there's life. guys, with that, I'm going to call it on the high note. Something's going on with the carburetor, and it's puking gas everywhere. Noticing a little bit of water coming out of some places that I'm not super excited about, but it fired, and I'm going to take that as a win. Get out there, and once this shelter in place is over, go ride. No, I'm really just